Hello everyone, this is Mavic, and for today's video I'm going to show you the plants that I got for this season and also give you a quick tour of my go-to nursery garden here in Georgia. They sell quality plants for a really cheap price. And I also thought of doing a price comparison, so if you want to see how cheaper their prices are, please continue watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button for more gardening, cooking, and travel tips videos. Hello everyone, good morning! So we are headed to the Growers Outlet today. It is one of the nurseries here in Georgia and they sell plants for a really cheap price. They are only open for 2 seasons, spring and fall. For spring, it's from early February to late June, and fall is around late August to late November. I think 80% of my outdoor plants were bought from Growers Outlet. We've been coming here for a few years now. For this year alone, we went about 3 times. In early Feb, just a few days after they opened, in March, and then in April. They are open until late June, so I may have another trip soon. Now this is a bit of a drive, so I also go to Lowe's, Home Depot, and other local nurseries by me, but because of the quality of their plants and their great price, I think the drive is just so worth it. So yeah, let's do a quick tour. So they have a section for indoor plants, for ferns, ground covers, vines, edibles, herbs, hydrangeas, camellias, shrubs, evergreens, trees, roses, and they are all properly labeled, so it's easier for us to actually shop. And the best thing is they sell tropical plants too. So I got a papaya tree and a guava tree. I just hope that they survive. And if you have any tips on how to grow guavas and papayas in Georgia, please let me know. Put them in the comment box below. I've recommended this to many of my friends, and of course, they always end up with a big haul. I've never seen anyone left empty-handed here. A cart full of plants is a usual sight. Okay, so let's do a quick price comparison. I'll put the prices from Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, and other local nurseries on the left, and the Growers Outlet prices on the right. So these are azaleas, or I call them azaleas, who knows. And these are both 3-gallon azaleas. Almost $17 price difference. And I got this aloe vera on the right for just $4, which is twice bigger than the yellow on the left. And these are pothos, about 6 inches in height. But I saved almost $11 from Growers Outlet. The pothos on Growers Outlet just does not have a pole in the middle, but the quantity and the volume of the leaves are just the same. Alright, so and then these Lenten roses that bloom just in time for Valentine's Day. And Growers had this on sale for just $8 when we came, so we got a better discount. And then last one, I promise. These are wandering Jews that are so easy to propagate. I got it for just $6. Okay, so on to my 2020 plant haul. This is the aloe vera that I got, and it's been more than a month now since I got it, and it's really looking good. And I got this staghorn fern that I will be mounting soon. And then these succulents that I got for $2.50 each, which typically cost about $4 at Lowe's or Home Depot. And I also started propagating them. I got 2 of these purple hearts and a few spider plants that are so giving. I started propagating them as well. And these are pothos that I got for about $7 and I have propagated them as well. We cut a few leaves and put them in the fish tank for propagation. And I also got a couple of wandering Jews. Now, I didn't know that these are actually toxic to my pets, so we put them outside and then hang them instead. And here are the papaya and guava trees that we got. I also got a Dracena and a few eucalyptus plants. This is a silver drop variety, but I also got a couple of baby blue for my floral arrangement. And then I got about 15 different tomato plants in about 8 to 10 different varieties. I also planted a few different varieties from seeds, which I am super excited about. I'll have a different episode just for my tomatoes, so please stay tuned for that. But yep, I am really going big this year. And I got this lemongrass, and these marigolds, Italian parsley, broccoli, and oregano. So this is one of the baby blue eucalyptus plant that I mentioned earlier. I put this one on the ground and I have 2 more in a pot. I put one of them in the greenhouse and one inside the house. I really wanted to see which environment it would grow the most because I've been wanting to grow eucalyptus for quite some time now. I want to use it for my floral arrangement. And we got a few other herbs. This is mint that is really doing so well. More marigolds, not necessarily an herb, but chamomile, large leaf basil, sage, parsley, and dill. And these are just some of what we got from the last few seasons. I got a 3-year-old Carolina jessamine here. These are hydrangeas and big blue that I got last November along with a few butterfly bushes. And I forgot what this one is called, but we got this in clearance for $10. And these are daisies on their 2nd year with us. We also got abelias, ligustrums, frost-proof gardenias, and so much more. So yeah, that's pretty much all the plants that I got from my go-to nursery this year, which are mostly outdoor plants. We got a few more house plants, but I'll do a separate video for those. So yep, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, I hope you would consider subscribing because that would mean so much. Alright, see you on my next vlog!